Now the 10th part is an urn contains 5 white balls and 3 blue balls. तो हमारे पास टोटल कितने हो गए यहाँ पे? It's 5 plus 3 which is 8 balls. If 2 balls are drawn one by one with replacement, so n would be 2 in this case. Probability of drawing white ball would be 5 by 8 क्योंकि 5 balls हैं in white और total 8 हैं तो 5 by 8 की probability हो गई. Q हमारा हो जाएगा 1 minus 5 by 8 which is 3 by 8 in this case. तो Q की वैल्यू आ गई, N की वैल्यू हमें known है that's 2 और X हमारा क्या ले सकता है वैल्यूज को? It can take up the values up to 2, 0, 1 and 2 would be there. So we would be finding the probability at 0 first. So that's a combination of 2 and 0. Q का square लेंगे. That's 1 into Q square. Which is 3 by 8 का square. That's 9 by 64. Secondly हम निकालेंगे x is equal to 1 पे. तो x is equal to 1 पे हमारे पास हो जाएगा combination of 2 and 1. That's P and Q in this case. So हमारे पास value आ जाएगी 2 into P. So putting the value of P as 5 by 8 in this case, Q की value 3 by 8 हो जाएगी हमारे पास and then we can multiply off to get the value. So it's 15 by 32 in this case. X is equal to 1 हो गया. X is equal to 2 वाला find out करेंगे. So combination of 2 and 2. P की value हमारे क्या हो जाएगी? Square. Combination and 2 and 2 is 1. P का square करना है which is 5 by 8 का square. So this is like 25 divided by 64 in this case. So we can see the probability distribution at 0 would be 9 by 64. At 1 it would be 15 by 32. At 2 it would be 25 by 64.